कांग्रेस विधायक एन.ए. हैरिस ने कहा, हम सब बेंगलुरु के सकारात्मक विकास की दिशा में काम कर रहे हैं। हमारे प्रभारी मंत्री और उप मुख्यमंत्री डी.के. शिव कुमार जनता से संवाद करने आ रहे हैं ताकि उनकी समस्याओं को समझा जा सके। यह बेंगलुरु के लिए एक बहुत ही सकारात्मक कदम है। हम लोगों की सभी जरूरतों को पूरा करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। कभी कभी कुछ चीजें रह जाती हैं। कौन सा शहर है जहाँ गड्ढे नहीं? जो शहर हमारे साथ प्रतिस्पर्धा कर रहे हैं, वे बेंगलुरु की छवि खराब करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। और मुख्यमंत्री खुद यहाँ आ रहे हैं। यह इस बात का प्रमाण है कि वे शहर को बेहतर बनाने के लिए कितने प्रतिबद्ध हैं। विपक्ष हमारी हर बात का विरोध करता है, यही तो लोकतंत्र नहीं।
Interact with people. I think it's a very positive move for Bangalore city, and brand Bangalore is. We want to make it shine, and we are all. The government's effort is that we somehow try to make it the best, and it is the best city in the whole globe. Bangalore is the best city, there's no doubt. People creep somewhere, some small traffic jam or some rainwater. You just tell me one city where such thing is not there.
Especially the pothole and the traffic issues.
See, potholes are there. You know how many kilometers of road we have in Bangalore. How many crore of people are living in Bangalore city. We are adhering to all their needs. Sometimes, somewhere, certain things will be there. You show me one city in the world which doesn't have a pothole, which doesn't have a problem. See, we have all urbanization is happening, and we all have to understand and live with it. We only came, okay, do you show any of a good stretch of road what we have done? Do you show that? Where there is no pothole, I come with me, I'll show you. Will you show that? No. So this is the approach which we don't want. We Bangaloreans, you live here, I live here. This is our city. How we can project it in a better way is what we all have to do. And you know, Bangalore is growing. So in competition, other cities are trying to tarnish Bangalore city. Hyderabad is in competition with us, Bombay is in competition with us, Delhi is in competition. So they will try. But why will we do it? We shouldn't do. We should project it. It is it's the best city. The kind of weather we have here. Tell me, you can't get this anywhere. You have to come to Bangalore only for this. So Bangalore has its own advantage. Maybe small, you can't give any big disadvantage of Bangalore city. So small things are there, day-to-day affairs everywhere you will find. So we are all trying to tackle that and make it much more better. See, the Deputy CM himself is coming and walking. So you can understand his commitment to making it better. So we need to support it. We look forward public support, media, everybody's support in that direction.
The opposition party MP is also protesting today morning.
See, opposition, they are just taking it as oppose whatever we do. That is not democracy. Democracy is people will decide who will be in ruling, who will be in opposition. Once people have decided 5 years, together we have to work. There should be a shadow government. They should work for whom? For the people, for the city. Now they are just trying to project, we did that. Okay, you had an opportunity. Did you do? Did you deliver? No. We are now delivering. You support. This is for whom? This is not for individually anyone. It is for the entire citizen of the city. So everybody should get together and do. Now, okay, now if the DCM is walking here, they can also come and suggest, see, you can do this and that and get it done. Who's stopping them? Now, they are not helpless. They can also come here. No, who stops them? But that kind of an involvement is required. And that is the kind of approach every citizen should give. And people are also looking, they know who is doing for the city and who is not doing. Who is talking for the sake of talking and who is... See, many people, they just talk. What is their delivery? Is zero. So we want delivery, and you can see that. See, Deputy Chief Minister himself coming, walking through, going to see everything, talk to people, interact with people is a very positive approach, which we should all appreciate. Even opposition leaders or MPs or MLAs also can come and talk to him. Tell him they want something to be done. I think we are ready to listen to it, and we are ready to do. For whom are we doing it? So we need the change in everybody. We have to understand democracy, and we all have to work together.